Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And yeah, sorry for the delay in putting out some content, but like I told you in the past, if I don't have anything that I think's exciting or interesting, you know, I'm just gonna take a breather for a bit. So we're back. We're at Pete's, and we're working on his stroker Windsor with the big TFSR heads. Last week we were here, just took the rest of the 347 to bits, kind of put this block on the stand and started assembling it, and so there's not really a whole lot of content there. And we were waiting on some other bits. We finally got them, and we're going to be jamming, putting this, hopefully getting the long block together tonight. And yeah, Pete will be back here in a second. He ran in the house. John's on his way, and here. We'll be getting right to it. Well, yep. I had to borrow a torque wrench because mine's not back from getting calibrated yet.
Yep, off of a mate of mine that's not been used by any other person, apparently, than him.
Yeah, but it's
now me.
It's in a gibberish format.
What do you mean gibberish?
It's not in foot-pounds.
It's in new meters, mate.
Yeah,
that's English.
Nobody uses that.
I don't know what it is.
No math. That's what
James said. Newton meters. I went, what? So
yeah.
we've got to do the math now.
Yeah, so
136.
So
I think he said.
Well, we got homework.
Yeah. Snap on though.
Yeah.
Snap on.
So we'll do what we need.
Here we are again. Over there.
So as you guys don't know, this is a vintage Ford Motorsport. What do you call it? It's not a SVO block, but it's just a Ford Racing.
Yeah.
You know,
oh, there's an R on here somewhere.
Yeah.
Racing.
It's on quite a
There we
few
go.
places. There's one there.
Yeah, one there.
There's a backwards one there.
Race.
And when you flip it over,
One there.
yeah, and we got the all important 4-bolt mains.
Yes.
So you got a forged Liberty crankshaft and Molnar connecting rods, diamond custom pistons, yeah,
Lovely.
custom Flowtech induction camshaft, hydraulic roller, rollmaster timing chain. Has been used, but it's still.
That's rude.
We just put it all together last week. Right now, we didn't have any decent torque wrenches, so we got torque wrench for the mains, stretch gauge for the connecting rods. We got the proper, you know, highfalutin
Yep.
bolt for the
Camshaft.
yeah. I torque that, Loctite it, and just keep going at it, and we'll smash this thing together.
Yeah, we're finished tonight, won't we?
Well, we'll get the long block, I hope, done, but
Yeah.
and we'll see if John shows up. And
Not back in the car.
well, I'm going home before midnight. I got to work tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, yeah, all right. Well, we'll wait for John to show up. Let's see how much we can get done before he gets here, and he slows us down.
Yeah, because it goes wrong once he's here.
He'll be fine.
He'll-
We got to play with that. Yeah, we got.
Oh yeah,
Do a lot of cleaning up still on some bits, timing cover. We'll get there.
we will.
Be right back. All right, so we're back on it. John's here.
Hi.
John's here
Hi.
for all the fans.
Hi.
Pete's cleaning out the oil pan that's been down there for weeks.
Yeah, you thought I'd have done this before you got here, wouldn't you?
No, we knew you wouldn't.
I've been busy, mate. I had to work. I'm supposed to be retired. I've been having to do work.
You work more than I do. That's not saying much, so
No.
All right, all the mains are torqued. Cam bolt is in and torqued. Timing cover, water pump are on, and
Rods were stretched.
yeah, rod bolts were stretched.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Old man.
Oh man.
this is a commercial for Geritol.
I'm just gonna go outside. I'll be back in a minute.
You gotta water some trees with the oil.
That was wasn't that a Popular Mechanics How to Drain Your Oil in the 1960s?
Oh yeah.
Dig a hole and dump it in there.
A tub called the earth.
A tub. The North Cambridge or the East Cambridgeshire tub. What are you doing out there? He's dumping it.
Close the door on it. That door's tricky. Either it swings open or it latches.
Yeah,
There's
exactly.
no in between.
No in between.
All right, we gotta get. Once he's in with the oil pan, we're gonna really have to smooth it up at the back because where it was leaking, and we gotta get the heads going here. I bet you have to clean those either. You gotta give them all kinds of crap. Man, see what's running rich. I gotta
You say something about Rich?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. I'm not. Far from it.
Oh, we still got a lot of work to do.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we haven't. We're getting this in tonight, aren't we?
Yeah, we're.
If we means you, then
Then yes, you are. I'll be sleeping. I'll be in my third REM cycle by the time that happens.
Gee, the cherry picker's buried
Yeah, it's
in
buried.
the back of the.
So that's not happening tonight.
Yeah.
That is definitely not coming out tonight.
Bloody half a job, Bob.
He's the one that didn't have the oil pan cleaned out yet.
It's done now, right?
Yeah, we've been waiting on you for a while. We started this intro, what, about 45 minutes ago? No, I'm good.
Come on. Small over there.
I can't cuss. It's so hard.
Oh yes, YouTube says we're not allowed to
We're
curse
not
anymore.
You're not allowed to say motherfucker anymore.
I'm the biggest offender,
Get
though.
away with douchebag.
I think douchebag
Yeah.
is fine. How much oil went down the down the dirt? All of it.
What?
I said how much oil went down the dirt? All of it.
No, there's a time
Oh,
out
I would put it.
Yeah, it's called a skip.
Yeah.
there. Not allowed to put it in there.
Yeah,
Oh my
well,
God.
Yeah. Holy.
There's a
Holy
list of
shoot.
things. There's a skip for general waste. And
Yeah.
there's a list of what you can't put in there.
Which is everything.
Right.
You probably put
It's-
paper in there.
It's general waste.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I just make different general waste than other people.
that's
make.
right. It's a broad
Right.
generalization about waste. So, all right.
That's that done. Right. What's next?
Well, do you want to do the oil pan or the heads? I say we do the oil pan.
Oh.
He just wants the heads on there.
Well, we got to clean the head still. Clean the head gaskets.
A little bit there, a little bit there. Yeah, right, okay.
Alrighty, let's prep this gasket and really schmooze it up here. Oh.
Super.
All right, buttoning it up. We got as far as torquing everything, getting the oil pan on, getting the front dress on, even to include the new balancer. And we verified TDC right online with the numbers. So that's all awesome. We didn't get to the heads today or this evening. That'll be our priority for next week.
Yeah, John turned up late, so we didn't get them done.
Well, you got the wrong heads for one. So.
Well, I know where we can find a set.
Yeah? Yes, I know where there's a set as well.
They're not being used here.
I can't use bad words right now. But I can say that you're number one.
We use the, if this don't seal up that oil pan, we're gonna have to get some pyrotechnics to get that thing back off.
Yeah. We'll use Flex Seal next time.
Oh, yeah.
It's never coming out.
No,
That's it now.
So,
this is gonna get buried with you.
I don't care who says, oh, you don't need gaskets. You don't need any silicone on the gaskets.
Well, if
If-
it's not a smooth surface,
Yeah.
yes, you do.
So, not an oil pan. Not for a friggin' Mustang. But, all right, I'm gonna see how the audio turns out on this one because I got some new camera gear again.
New camera gear.
And we're not gonna be flipping it upside down anymore. We can like drop lifters in and
Yep.
all kinds of other neat stuff. But it is
What is
Late.
5 to 10.
it? No.
5 to 11, sorry.
5 to 11.
Yeah. And
That's
I gotta get up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
5. I'll get up about 9:30.
I'll get up at the crack of 8.
Yeah.
Be on the road by 8:30. Work by 9.
So,
Work? What's work?
anyways, we're gonna have another big project coming up real soon. And you'll see that in the next episode. And
Oh, yes.
Oh, is that the Pinto you bought?
oh no. It's be something different, and any Ford guy in the States will probably really like it. So, but anyway, we're wrapping it up here. Have a good night if it's nighttime, guys, and we'll see you soon.